Hello friends, so today we will learn something better things in Microsoft Excel, how to copy our data to another sheet automatically. In this tutorial, we will learn some extra things related to Excel. So we can see here that this sheet is totally blank and this sheet number 2 is also blank. That we want to put the same document from sheet number 1 without typing in sheet number 2. How to put the same document in sheet number 2. So first of all, as I am just typing here, we can see sheet number 2 is blank. Sheet number 1, what will you do? Just from your keyboard, just press control button and click on sheet number 2. The sheet you want to select, you can select control button and just I am going to click on sheet number 2. When I'm just going to type here, it will also reflect in sheet number 2. I'm just going to type in sheet number 1. Of course, you can see the same things is also showing in sheet number 2. Suppose that you want to ungroup this sheet number 1 and sheet number 2 is grouped. You want to ungroup, so simply you will click on any sheet number from here to there. You can click on any sheet number. This group is ungrouped. Now I'm just typing in sheet number 1 and you can see sheet number 2 is not showing the same document. Again, I'm just typing here. You can see sheet number 2 is not showing. So this is our first trick, how to copy our data to another sheet automatically. By this process, we can do different type of activity in Excel. So let's move towards the next trick. Dear friends, in this tutorial, in trick number 2, suppose that we are going to add any quantity. Just we have taken here item name, rate, quantity and total. We want to do it, this one, and add numbers containing PCs, KGs, etc. So what will you do in this one? Suppose that I am just putting here the quantity 20. It is showing here the number, and now I just put there. It is showing like a text. So what will you do? That we are going to show their PCs. This I deleted that one. Now I just put their value 20 and press PCS. Now it is showing. Again I just clicking this one. It is also asking to type there because this is a numeric value. But I want to show there how to show PCs or KGs automatically. So select this column and click on this icon and go to that custom and delete the general and press there 0 and double inverted comma, press space and PCS. I just put there and a double inverted comma close and just click there. Okay. If I just type here 20, it is showing there automatically PCs. PCs is also showing there. We can see it is a value by which we can calculate. Now I just click here equal to sum bracket open and going to select this one and bracket close. Now 217 pieces are being shown there, and in this cell I just want to add rate and quantity too. So click equal to and sum bracket open and now select these both and bracket close. Now I just click enter. It is showing there total 20,020. The rate is 20,020. Now you can drag it down and we can see the total rate of different type of items. So this is trick number 2, how to add. Now just let me remove this one, trick number 2. This is trick number 2, how to add numbers containing PCs. By this method we can use PCs and kg in quantity. And let's move in third trick. In trick number 3, we are going to insert blank row into record. So we can see here there is no blank in serial number and we want to insert here a blank rows between this one. So what will we do? We will just simply type here 1 and 2, and we can drag it down up to 10. Now it's a 10. So again we will select the whole documents up to this one, and go to that data section and click on sort, and select here from sort by serial number and click on OK. Now we can see here the data we thought to have some blank rows between this serial number. So simply we can see here every column is also, after every column there is a blank row. We can see here every row has a blank row. We can see here this is a trick number third. By this method we can do different type of activity as per our need. So let's move on trick number 4. Dear friends, in this trick number 4 we are going to take here how to delete these blank rows from this data set. Now we have taken here accounts, states, departments and mobile number. So here there is a few blanks rows and we want to delete it completely. So first of all select any one option from this heading like accounts, states, departments or mobile number. Anyone you can select and go to the data section and click on filter. Now we are seeing here that data is being filtered here. Now click on this arrow and click on this select on and just click on blank option. Now it's check and OK. Now we got here that two blank rows option are being shown here, and simply click it on right click and delete rows and OK. And again in data section, data menu, we can see here there is an option beside filter. There is an option clear. Just click on clear. Now we can see here the blank rows data is gone from this one. This is our trick number 4. So stay with us and just keep on watching this video tutorial up to the end of this tutorial. Now next trick is really very fantastic tricks, and this will also drive your mind. Just stay with us for trick number 4. In next trick we are going to use screenshot. In Excel we are going to use how to take a screenshot of any data. So Excel provides us a very good type of activity by which we can take a screenshot of any type of screen. So here we can see there is a quick access toolbar option. From quick access toolbar option go to more commands option, and here you can see popular commands. From popular commands you will have to click on all commands, and click on all commands. There is an option for camera in C section. So just click on camera. There is a camera option, and clicking on this camera option add this one, and now press OK. We can see there is an option for camera in the corner of this screen. You can see left side corner, we can see there is an camera option, and just simply select this data sheet and just click on this camera and click anywhere on the blank data sheet. Now we can see here this is an image. This is not a doc format of file. This is an image. You can change the size or the style of this image. This is fully an image, and we can change its format. Likewise I'm just making its changes. Now again I delete this one and going to click on this 5th screenshot and click on camera. Now I just click on this one, and you can see here this is an image, and we can use it as per our convenient. And Also you can put it as a border color, you can put border color. Effect type, you can put effect or different type of shape you can impose here. So this is the use of camera section, and I hope that this video will be useful for you all guys. Stay with us and keep on watching